Once you get in, you will have this foyer.
You opened up my heart.
Oh, apple! A tomato! 3, go!
Hindi pala documented.
Hi everyone! So today, it's Ada's birthday and we are at Okada, Manila. So we decided to stay here to celebrate Ada's birthday. So we have itinerary ready. So pagdating namin, nag-scout kami sa area. Okay naman. Dapat nga magnanap siya but we plan after this rest for a while. We plan na magpunta. Okay. Since it's Ada's birthday, we requested for a birthday setup with the banner and then with the birthday cake. Ano ba yan? Magsalita ka naman! Kasi nakaganto ka lang.
Hello, ayun.
Good afternoon.
Kasi mo may birthday.
Ay, si baby girl.
Hello, happy birthday!
Okay naman, naantok na nga kami. Nakakarela.
Merienda na po pala to.
So while we wait for the kids play schedule ni Ada for today, we decided to order in-room service lunch. Okay? So we ordered lumpiang Shanghai, palabok, and mushroom soup. This is very light lang kasi we're gonna have dinner later.
Ayan, lalafang na kami. Ada, what are you eating?
Shanghai!
Uy, Shanghai! Bubulsa mo, uwi mo yan. Cute naman ng baby. Kumakain po siya habang nanonood ng Coco.
At itong food selection natin, yung mga gusto niyang kainin.
Oo. Mahilig siya sa mushroom soup.
Mhm.
Palabok, nanay niya mahilig dito.
Ito favorite niya talaga.
So ito, Shanghai talaga.
Tsaka bread. Talaga taga-ubos to ng
Yun na.
lumpia wrapper.
Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers, Dada. Cheers.
Ma'am?
You show them how you eat palabok.
Hilig sa palabok ka. Ubus. Or paubos.
Pangalawa niya na to.
Ano na?
Pangalawang scoop niya na ng palabok.
Aba.
Wow! Balloon! Aida!
BJ, nanay yung naglaro. Sorry!
May snorts pa eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. May nakita, Lion King point. Wow, marunong na mag-vlog si Ada.
I'm popping the balloon. Oh,
Look.
Hmm. Laki nito. Ang laki.
Hindi pa ka sabihin na nagsasarili ka pa.
Wow! Number 2!
Nakasobra ba?
Oo! Sobra!
Kasi, ba't nagsasalit ka pa eh?
Yung number 2 pa yung pumutok. Na video. Ano yung tsura ko doon? Pumutok. Ayop na yan. Kita.
Once you get in, you will have this foyer. Diba? Foyer. And then, here, ang galing kasi nandito yung closet. See? See the closet, nandiyan lahat ng ating mga gamit, of course. There. And then, once you get in here in the bedroom, there's two, bedrooms, double-sized. Kasi yun yung binook natin. Double-sized beds. There are two double-sized beds. And then, look at the color. It's giving really girly thing for our birthday girl. Diba? It's so cute. And then here, dito sa working table natin, they have complimentary coffee. And then there's tea also. Tinago namin kasi, nilalaro ni baby. And then, we really appreciate yung, complimentary birthday setup. So, they have, card. Diba? Look. Wala akong ganito nung second birthday ko. And then they have birthday cake. This is free. Diba? Look, moist chocolate cake. There. And then meron silang pa-banner there. Sinet up yan kanina. That's so good. So here, dito sa bedside, meron silang pa-tablet dito. Dito kinokontrol lahat. Yung TV, yung lights, and then ayan, nade-detach siya, of course. Yan, ang daming options. Dito ka rin pwedeng mag-room-in service. In-room dining pala. Ayan, madaming options dyan that you can choose from. Depende na sa gusto mo. And then, ito yung controls. Curtain controls and then light controls. Ang aking gustong ipakita talaga, ang napakagandang bathroom nila with the bathtub. Diba? Automatic nag-open yung curtain as we go in. And then, nandito yung couples sink. Tama ba? Couple sink. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda-ganda ng pagkakasetup. At saka, ang ganda ng design. At ito nga pala ang bathtub. Ang ganda. Tapos, you can see the view. And then, meron ding view ng pool. And view ng... Anong tawag doon, love? Bay? View ng bay. So, ito yung view natin right now. At ito pa, magkahiwalay, may separator yung shower area. So, hindi mo na kailangan, magdala ng shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Meron na silang ready dyan for you. And then, ang trono ng mga tao. Okay, go. So, what's good about this? Look! Nakita niyo yun? Automatic nag-open. There's controls over here. See?
Kagising lang po namin sa nap. Birthday girl, hi.
Ay!
Tara, dinner.
Bath time for Ada. And then, kanina, binigyan kami ng bubble bath for Ada. So, they said na secret lang daw to. Hindi daw sila usually nagpo-provide ng bubble bath for guests. But since birthday ng aming Bebe Love, binigyan kami ng bubble bath. Okay, hindi na secret. Sorry.
Let's go! Swim! Bathtub swim! Swim! Bathtub swim! Tapos na kami gumayak. So, tingnan naman mag-ina.
Busy.
Aba, busy. Diretso na po kami birthday dinner.
Yes.
Happy birthday! Tuwan-tuwa ang mami sa baby.
Of course. I'm so proud. Nakikikuha ko ng snack. Gutom na ako.
Wow! Clapping!
Hey!
Blow! Yeah! Nako.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Huwag ka umalis! Huwag ka umalis!
Ayaw magpabit.
Huwag ka umalis!
2 Up! Hop, hop, hop! Hop, hop, hop! Hop, hop, baby! Hop! Hop, hop, hop! Hop, hop, hop! Hop, hop, baby! Hop, hop, hop! Mwah! We love you. Senyora, kamusta po ang birthday mo, Senyora? Ang ganda naman ng iyong bathrobe. Ha? Amoy mayaman, kutis mayaman pa. Kahit naman middle class ng magulang mo.
Kiss mommy? Kiss mommy?
Hayaan ba kitang ikaw lang?
Bubu!
Cha 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 cha.
I lay my love on you. It's all I wanna do. Every time I breathe, I feel brand new. You open up my heart. Show me how you love and walk right through. Bubu!
So habang natutulog sila, susundot lang ako ng workout. Mabilis lang. So yung gym nila dito, napansin ko, maliit lang. So pag enter mo, may concierge na maliit pero wala naman tao. Ayan, salamin. So dito muna tayo sa left. May dispenser, tas boxing gloves, mga medicine ball. Tapos ito sa hips. Galing nga nito eh. Sobrang makakatulong sa strength training. So ito for chest, for back, then leg extension, and leg curls. Ito naman is leg press, and then ab crunch. Tapos ito yung parang yoga studio nila. So 2 AM na kaya wala masyadong tao. By the way, 24 hours tong ano nila. 24 hours tong gym nila. As long as hotel guest ka. So dito merong 3 treadmill, 2 malaki, 1 maliit sa dulo. Kaya puro salamin. Dito lahat ng dumbbells. Ang dumbbells nila, ang pinakamabigat is 22 kilos lang. So kung chest day ka, bitin. Tapos andito naman yung dumbbells na magagaan. Then squat rack. Cable machine na may pull up. Tapos yung mga exercise machine nila. Kung papansin ninyo, maliit lang yung gym compare sa Solaire. Yung kasi yung mako-compare ko sa kanya, yung ibang 5-star hotel eh. Hilton, Solaire, pero ito na yung pinakamaliit by far. Pero kung mag-workout ka, kompleto naman yung matarget yung mga body parts mo. So okay na rin. So magte-treadmill muna ako ngayon. Nag-workout na ako kanina eh. So treadmill na lang ako.
Hi! Good day! So, it's our time to check out. Nakuha na yung mga luggage namin. And then, right after this, we're gonna have some lunch! Look at our babies!
Birthday girl, where are we going? Kids play!
We're here at Nono's for our brunch. After this, we're gonna go to
Kids play.
Kids Play. At magpe-play ang baby na yarn. Yay! Ay, sus.
Hi!
Bye!
Play! Click!
Ang taas! I can't!
It's our turn. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah!
Ma, taas! Iwan ko yung bag ko!
Balikan mo lang.
Ang taas! Busog ako! Ang taas! Iwan ko na lang!
Dali na! Ikaw naman! Kaya mo yan!
Ang taas! Alang niya! Ano? Ang taas! Ayoko talaga na! Takot na ako! Eh? Takot na ako! Ayoko! I'm scared! Tatakot ako!
Balik!
Ba't ang taas? Anak ng to! Gaganon lang!
Oh!
Hoy! Diyos ko!
1, 2, 3.
Hoy!
Oh, 1. Yung arms. 2, 3, go!
Push! Mas lakas mo! Ah!
Oh, wow! Mommy's climbing!
Ay, dali lang! Ganyan ka lang!
Come on! How about corn? Oh, apple! A tomato! Aba, ang laki tomato niya. Avocado! Dito ka
Sige,
sa
sige.
kaliwa.
Kaliwa. Hindi ako pwedeng humawak sa'yo. Ah, teka.
1, 2, 3, go! Ball pit! Uy! More, jump! Jump! Tapos na mag-play. Wow! Happy birthday!
Okay, nakaalis na kami ng Okada and we're at Metro Manila Skyway right now. Papunta sa Rustic Mornings to meet the Ninangs. Ayun na sila sa dulo. Hi! Good afternoon. May kasama na po kami. Thank you. Ito pala, Tara. Ano ba yan? Ang gaganda niya naman. Parang siya hindi.